Okay, so I'm back here with another lesson on Python operators, and this time we're going to be learning about string operators. So we've already learned about integer operators like the addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and modulus, or mod for short, operator. And now we're going to be doing string operators. So now there's a lot less operators for strings, but the first one we're going to go talk about is the addition operator. So let's first create a string, otherwise there's nothing to test it on. My string, oh that's bad. And we're going to go give it the string of, what should we do today? I don't know. Water, something simple. Water is super simple, and that's what we want. Stuff that is simple. Anyway, so we're going to do water. Now, one operator is the addition operator, but when we're dealing with strings, it's not called the addition operator, it's called like concatenation operator. But anyway, still same thing. It looks just like the addition operator because it is. And what the purpose of this does is it adds two strings together. So let's say we want water, and then let's say we want the word fall. If we print this to the string, or print this to the terminal, my string, this would be the string waterfall because it got the word, or got the string water, and it got the string fall, and this string operator added both of them together, making it be waterfall instead of water and fall. You get the point. So that is the concatenation operator for strings. But one good question I might receive from somebody is, can you also add numbers to a string? And the answer is no, you can't. Numbers and strings are completely different data types, which therefore they just don't work the same way. For a quick example or demonstration, let me just show you. Water plus 5 will equal this. An error. It says only concatenate string to string, not int. That's because 5 is an integer. So if we wanted to add, let's say, water to 5, what we would do is we would put 5 between quotation marks, so now 5 is a string, and then you would have water 5. Or another thing you could do, which is a bit more advanced for the topic of this whole video, is we could convert the 5 to a string. So let's do that. I think I did this incorrectly again. That's why. It's not string, it's stir. There we go. And if you don't know this video, I have a video on like how to convert things to other things and other data types and stuff like that. I'll leave a link in the description below. But right now, this will also work because we're converting 5 to a string and then we're adding it to water, which should give us water 5 right here, and that worked. So to summarize your answer, no, you cannot add numbers to strings. It just does not work that way. Now another operator that we're going to look at is the plus equal operator, which, if you remember, I also just spoke about that into the integers, the integer operations, which I actually don't have here, so we might as well just add it. And the string operator does the same thing, or the concatenation operator does the same thing. So let's say we have my string equals, let's do snow. Now let's say we want to add man to my string. You could do it this way. You just do my string equals snow, and then you do put the concatenation operator plus, and you do man like that, and there you go. If you print it, it will say snowman. But instead of doing that slow, super slow way, you could just do plus equals man. And the plus means that we're adding something to my string, or we're adding something, or concatenating something. And the equals means whatever's on this side, just add it here. So that's why it's plus equals. Otherwise, if it's just equals or a sign, then my string would just equal man, like this. And if you just did my string plus man, well, you would just get snow because it was not stored in anything. So we're assigning man to my string, and that would give us snowman. Oh, we all like snowmen, don't we? Not really. They're cold. Anyway, so that is kind of it for string operators. They do not have as many operations than integers. They have more methods though, like you could do dot format, capitalize, caseful, and all of these other operations or methods you can do, but that is not an operation. That is a method, which is something else for a different video. But those are the operations you can do on strings, plus and plus equals, and they both concatenate strings, which means they join the two strings together, and that's it. So if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you have any questions or comments, just use the comment section below, and I hope you enjoyed this video.